Belly fat can be stubborn. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring one knee toward your chest while lifting your opposite elbow to meet it. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Tip: keep the motion slow and controlled to maximize muscle engagement. 4. Kettlebell swings, the power move for fat loss. Why it works: kettlebell swings combine strength training with cardio, helping to build muscle while torching fat. They also engage your core for stability. How to do it: hold a kettlebell with both hands, hinge at the hips, swinging the kettlebell between your legs, then explosively thrust your hips forward to swing it to chest height. Tip: start with a lighter kettlebell to perfect your form, then increase the weight for a bigger calorie burn. 5. Plank variations, the stability builder. Why it works: planks target the deep core muscles that support your spine and help tighten your midsection. Add variations like side planks or plank jacks for an extra challenge. How to do it: begin in a forearm plank position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 30-60 seconds. Tip: incorporate side planks to target the obliques for a more defined waistline. Bonus tips for faster results. While these exercises are incredibly effective, combining them with smart lifestyle changes will amplify your results. Prioritize height workouts. High-intensity interval training combines short bursts of intense exercise with rest, making it one of the most effective ways to burn fat. Clean up your diet, reduce processed foods and sugar, focus on lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats to support fat loss. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can slow metabolism and make workouts feel harder. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Get quality sleep. Lack of sleep increases cortisol, a stress hormone linked to belly fat. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night. Your secret weapon: consistency and mindset. The biggest secret to losing belly fat isn't a magical exercise or a quick fix, it's consistency. These exercises, when performed regularly and combined with a healthy lifestyle, can yield impressive results over time. Imagine this: just a few weeks from now, you could feel lighter, look leaner, and see visible changes in your midsection. More importantly, you'll feel empowered knowing you've taken control of your health and fitness. Start your transformation today. Ready to ditch the frustration and start seeing real results? Try incorporating these 5 exercises into your weekly routine and watch your belly fat melt away. If you found this guide helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who could use some motivation. And remember, small, consistent changes lead to big transformations. Let's get moving and crush those goals.